In this video, I explains you the expected models of the mathematics from the coordinate geometry in the coming IIIT examination paper. First problem, if the distance between the points x, 7 and 1, 15 is 10, then what is the value of x? That distance is equals to 10. What is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square plus, of course, 1 minus x whole square or x minus 1 whole square, whatever, we can take any value. X minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 15 whole square. 7 minus 15 whole square is equals to 10. Distance is equals to 10. Distance means this value. Difference of the x coordinates, x minus 1 whole square plus difference of the y coordinates, that is 7 minus 15 whole square. That is square root of x minus 1 whole square plus 7 minus 15 minus 8 whole square 64 is equals to 10. Now squaring on both sides, then we get x minus 1 whole square plus 64 is equals to 100. Then x minus 1 whole square is equals to 100 minus 64, 36 equals to, which implies x minus 1 is equals to root 36. Root 36 means plus or minus 6, that is x minus 1 is equals to 6, x minus 1 is equals to minus 6. So x is equals to 6 plus 1, 7. X is equals to minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. That's all. These are the answers. Next problem. Find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3, 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. 2 points are given. 4, minus 3, 8, 5. Find the coordinates of the point which divides this line segment in the ratio 3:1. Now we want to find the coordinates of this point. The point divides the line segment in the ratio 3:1. This is the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. What is m is to n here? M is to n is equals to given ratio. This is m is to n. And the first point is x1, y1. And second point is equals to x2, y2. Now replacing the values. M x2 3 into 8 24 plus n x1 1 into 4 4 by m plus n 4. M y2 3 into 5 15. N y1 1 into minus 3 by m plus n 4. That is 28 by 4 12 by 4. That is 7, 3. Next one, find the trisectional points of the line segment joining the points 2, 6 and minus 4, 8. What are trisecting points? Trisectional points means the points which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1 are called as the trisecting points. That is, this is the point P that divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. The point P divides line segment in the ratio 1:2, and this is the point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. That is, now we want to find these 2 points. These are the trisecting points. So the first point P divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and the second point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. What are A, B here? 2, 6 minus 4, 8. This is the ratio 1:2. And what are the points here? 2, 6 minus 4, 8, and here the ratio is equals to 2:1. Now applying the formula, P is equals to m is to n x1, y1, x2, y2. M x2 1 into minus 4 plus n x1 2 2s are 4 by m plus n 1 plus 2 3, and m y2 1 into 8 plus n y1 2 into 6 12 by m plus n 3. That is 0, 20 by 3. This is the first point. And Q is equals to m x2 minus 8 n x1 plus 2 by m plus n 3. M y2 2 into 8 16 plus n y1 1 into 6 by m plus n 3. That is minus 6 by 3, and this is 22 by 3 equals to minus 2, 22 by 3. That's all. These are the trisecting points. Next problem, find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, 4. So given points are 5, minus 6 and minus 1, 4. These are taken as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment. Y-axis divides the line segment in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. Y-axis divides the line segment in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. That is minus 5 is to minus 1. So ratio is equals to 5:1. What is the point of intersection? So point of intersection means 5 comma minus 6 x1 y1 minus 1 minus 4 x2 y2 5 is to 1 m is to n. Now what is point of intersection? M x2 minus 5 n x1 plus 5 by m plus n 6 m y2 minus 20 plus 6 into n y1 minus 6 by 6, that is 0 by 6 comma minus 26 by 6 is equals to 0 comma minus 13 by 3. That's all. This is the point of intersection. Next problem, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So one line is given. This is the line joining the points minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma minus 8. Find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by the point minus 1 comma 6. The ratio in which this point divides the line segment. The formula is x minus x1 is to x2 minus 6. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. The line joining the points x1 y1 x2 y2. This is x comma y. Now replacing the values, x value minus 1 minus x1 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 x2 6 minus x1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 1. So ratio is equals to 2:7. That's all. The points 6 comma 1, 8 comma 2, 9 comma 4, p comma 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Then find the value of p. One parallelogram is given. This is the parallelogram formed by the lines A, B, C, D. Now what is the given question? Find the value of p. Given that a is equals to 6 comma 1, this is 8 comma 2, this is 9 comma 4 and this is p comma 3. What is the value of p? That's the given question. Already we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. That is midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. So what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD since it is a parallelogram. So what is the midpoint of AC? x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 plus 9 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2. This is the midpoint of AC. And when what is midpoint of BD? P plus 8 by 2, P plus 8 by 2 and 3 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 3 plus 2 by 2. We want P value. So equating only x coordinates, 9 plus 6, 15 by 2 is equals to P plus 8 by 2. Therefore the value of P is equals to 15 minus 8 equals to 7. If 1, 2, 4 by x6 and 3, 5 are vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find x and y. Here also parallelogram is given. This is the parallelogram. What are the given points taken in order? 1, 2, 4, 5. This is x6 and this is 3, 5. What are the values of x comma y? Here also we take that these are A, B, C, D. Here also we take that the midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. So what is midpoint of AC? x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 1 plus x by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equals to, here also midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, 5 plus 5 by 2. Now equating the corresponding values, 1 plus x by 2 is equals to 7 by 2, that is x is equals to 7 minus 1, 6 and 2 plus 6 by 2, 8 by 2 is equals to 5 plus 5 by 2, that is y is equals to 8 minus 5 equals to 3. That's all. Problem, find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. So given that one circle is given here and also given that AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter of a circle. AB, this is the diameter. Center is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Center C is equals to 2 comma minus 3 and B is equals to 1 comma 4. So given that B 1 by 4, center 2 minus 3. What are the coordinates of A? So we take that this point is equals to x comma y. Clearly here these two values are equal. This is radius, this is radius. That is C is the midpoint of AB. So by applying that we will get a value. C is equals to midpoint of AB. This is the formula. What is C value? 2 comma minus 3. What is midpoint of AB? X plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. That is 2 is equals to x plus 1 by 2 and minus 3 is equals to y coordinate is equals to y coordinate 4 plus y by 2. That is 4 is equals to x plus 1, then x is equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3, and y plus 4 is equals to minus 6. Then the value of y is equals to minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 10. Coordinates of a is equals to x comma y. So what are the values? 3 comma minus 10. That's all. Next problem, find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining minus 4 comma 0 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. So here one line is given that passes through the points a comma b. A is equals to minus 4 comma 0 and b is equals to 0 comma 6. Find the coordinates of the points which divides this line segment into 4 equal parts. First we take the midpoint of these two. Here C is the midpoint of AB. What are the coordinates of midpoint here? Minus 4 plus 0 by 2 and 0 plus 6 by 2. Okay, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and this is equals to minus 2 comma 3, minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2. So that is C divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. This is the point, divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. Again we take the midpoint of these two. So this is P. Here P is the midpoint of AC. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, minus 4 minus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2. What are the values here? Minus 6 by 2, minus 3 comma 3 by 2. And again I take one point here, Q. This is the midpoint of BC. That is Q divides this line into 2 equal parts. What are the coordinates here? x1 plus midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint of BC. x1 plus x2 by 2, minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 3 plus 6 by 2, and this is equals to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So here C is the midpoint of A, means C divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. P is the midpoint, so P divides this into 2 equal parts. Q divides this into 2 equal parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 4 equal parts. That is the points P, C, Q are the points which divide the total line segment into 4 equal parts. So these are the required answers. Minus 3 comma 3 by 2, minus 2 by 3, minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Next problem, find the centroid of the following. This is centroid, means first we take that this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. What is centroid formula? Centroid G is equals to formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now replacing the values in this formula is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3, 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3 is equals to 6 minus 4, 2 by 3, and this is 6 by 3. The answer is 2 by 3 comma 2. That's all. Find K if the points are collinear. 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1, 3 comma 5. This is the meaning of collinear points. The 3 points lie on the same line. Then the points are said to be the collinear points. So what is the condition for collinear points? Here the simple condition is slope of AB is equals to slope of BC here. So given that the points are collinear, what is K value? So we are equating these two slopes values. What is slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1, 1 minus minus 2 by x2 minus x1, 5 minus 7 is equals to slope of BC. We are taking these 2 points x1 y1, x2 y2. What is slope value? y2 minus y1, k minus 7 by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 5. That is 1 minus minus 2, 1 plus 2, 3 by minus 2 is equals to k minus 1 by minus 2. Therefore the value of k is equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4.